Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we have to discuss period of trigonometric function, sometime also called circular function. First, I want to explain general form of sine function and cos function. General form of uh, sine function is f of x is equal to a sine bx plus c plus d, and general form of sine function is f of x is equal to a cos of bx plus c plus d. Now I want to explain what is a, b, c, and d in the given general form of sine and cos function. So uh, where a is represent amplitude, A represent amplitude of the given function, B represent frequency of the given function, and where C represent uh, phase shift, of the sine function or the cos function, and where D is vertical shift to. Now, what is periodic function? What is periodic function? A function f of x is said to be periodic if it satisfies this condition. F of x plus p is equal to f of x, where p is some positive number, some positive real number. In this graph, period is from this point to this point. This is period, which is 2 pi. Means in periodic function repeats its value in its own period. Now, what is the period of sine and cos function? Basic period of sine function and cos function is 2 pi. means uh, means sine uh, x plus 2 pi will be equal to sine x. Also, cos x plus 2 pi will be equal to cos x, because the period of sine and cos is 2 pi. So here p in both cases will be 2 pi. Now, uh, now I want to explain some example. General formula for period is is 2 pi divided by b magnitude, where b is frequency. Given that f of x is equal to sine of 2x, what is the period of this function? So if we compare with general form, uh, if we compare with general form, here the value of b will be 2. So period of this function is by this formula 2 pi divided by 2 magnitude, which is equal to pi. So period of this function will be pi. Find the period uh, find the period of the periodic function sine of 4x plus 5. So if we compare with general form, f of x is equal to a sine bx plus c plus d. Then the value of b will be 4. So again by general formula 2 pi divided by b magnitude, period will be equal to 2 pi divided by 4, um, 4 absolute, which is equal to pi divided by 2, because uh, because 2 pi divided by 4 absolute is equal to 2 pi. 4 absolute will be equal to 4 by definition of absolute. So 2 cancel with 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so which is equal to pi divided by 2. So um, the period of the sine of 4x plus pi is equal to pi by 2. Now, given that, find the period of the periodic function sine uh, sine of minus 8x. So again, if we compare this function with general form, so the value of b will be equal to minus 8, but we know that b absolute is equal to 8 by definition of absolute. So by general formula, period is equal to 2 pi. Period will be equal to 2 pi divided by minus 8 absolute, which is equal to 2 pi divided by 8. By simplification, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So period of this function is pi by 4. Find the period of the periodic function 5 cos of 12x, where the value of b is 12. So by uh, general formula for period of sine and cos, period is equal to 2 pi divided by 12 absolute, which is equal to 2 pi divided by 12. By simplification, we get 5 by 6. Now, fundamental period of tangent is pi. So this means that uh, tangent tangent uh, x plus pi will be equal to tangent x. Also, if a function is uh, with periodic, then their reciprocal also periodic with the same period. So, period of cotangent also will be pi. So, uh, example, general formula for this is period will be equal to uh, pi divided by b absolute. Y is equal to tangent of 2x, where the value of b is 2. Now p is equal to pi divided by value of b, which is b. So by simplification, period will be equal to pi divided by 2. So the period of tangent of 2x is equal to pi divided by 2. Find the period of a tangent function. So now the general form of tangent will be equal to y is equal to a tangent bx. So here in this function, the value of b is 2. In this function, the value of p is 3. So for this period will be pi divided by 2. For this function, period will be pi divided by 3. Now, uh, uh, this also discussed before, the value of the period of this function is pi divided by 3. Find the period of the periodic function cotangent x. We already discussed that period of cotangent is pi. Now, uh, what is the period of secant x and cosecant x? Uh, secant x period of secant and cosecant both is 2 pi because the period of sine and cos is 2 pi and sine is a secant is the reciprocal of cos. So the period of cos and secant will be same. Also, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So the period of sine is 2 pi. So therefore, the period of cosecant will be 2 pi. So in last concluded that we concluded that the period of sine, cos, secant, cosecant, uh, all are uh, all are a period of these four functions are 2 pi. But the period of uh, tangent and cotangent function is pi. So the basic period of tangent and cotangent will be uh, pi, but the basic period of sine, cos, secant, and cosecant function are 2 pi. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more informative videos.